Hi everyone, myself Rajesh. Today we are going to discuss about introduction to graph theory. Okay, so these are the learning outcomes. After completion of this lecture, you will be able to learn determination of tie-set incident matrix for any graph. Okay, for any given graph, you will find out the tie-set incident matrix. Okay, similarly, for any given graph, you can find out the cut-set incident matrix. Okay. Incident matrix. Okay, already I have explained about incident matrix previous class. Okay, again I am explaining here. So the incident matrix means, so the matrix it is means the number of rows is, it is related to branches. Okay, or it is related to nodes. Okay, so means the incident matrix, it is a matrix, the number of rows it is related to nodes, and number of columns it is related to branches. Okay, in this we are considering is n nodes and m branches. Okay, you see here, suppose aij is the element of the incident matrix. So here in this element of the matrix, okay, in this as a elements we have 1 minus 1 and 0. Okay, okay, so 1 minus 1 0. So here 1, when we will get the 1 means if jth branch incident on the ith node with flow direction is outgoing. Okay, it is leaving direction or outgoing. Jth branch is incident on the ith node. Okay, ith node it is a leaving direction means we will have a plus 1. If it is incoming means that is minus 1. Okay, if it is not incident means that is 0. Okay, like that you have to find out the incident matrix. Already I have explained previously, right? So just for example, suppose I am considering this is the graph. Okay, with suppose sometimes this oriented graph it is not given means you can take it these arrows. Okay, this is the oriented graph only. Oriented graph means there is a direction of path. Okay, so in this direction is given. If direction is not given, you can consider the any direction. Okay, so in this case I am finding the incident matrix. Okay, so incoming just means already I explained here. Incoming means it is not correlated with that node means it is 0. It is incoming to that node means that is minus 1. Okay, it is leaving means that is plus 1. Okay, previous class already I explained means leaving means I have taken minus 1, incoming means I have taken plus 1. Okay, most of the textbooks they are using means incoming means negative, outgoing means positive. It means both are correct. Okay, but means you can use any notation. Most of the textbooks they are giving like this. Okay, some of the textbooks they are incoming means they are taking as the positive, outgoing means they are taking as the negative. Okay, both are correct. Okay, so but most of the textbooks they are using like this, right? So you use this. Okay, leaving means you have consider plus 1. Okay, means incoming means take it as a minus. Okay, minus 1. So in this case how many nodes are there? So we have a b c d, 4 nodes we have. Okay, how many branches we have? 6 branches. It means 4 rows you will get. Okay, next 6 columns you will get. Okay, it means 4 by 6 matrix you will get. Okay, see here. So a b c d. Okay, just I am using here. So I want to find out the incident matrix for this A. Here the number of rows is nodes. How many nodes are there? A, B, C, D. 4 nodes are there. Okay. So how many branches are there? So 6 branches are there. 6 branches are there. Okay. See now, for eighth node, if you see eighth node, what is your interconnected? Branch 1, 3, 6 are interconnected. It means for eighth node, if you see 1, 3, 6. Okay, all are means for this node, all are in leaving direction. Those are leaving to this node. It means this is the plus 1. Okay, this is also plus 1. Okay, next, this is also plus 1. Okay, this is also plus 1. So next one is Remaining is, it is not incident, so these we are considering as the zeros. Okay, for bth node, mm, for bth node, okay, 1 2 4, okay, 1 is incoming, it means -1, okay, 2 is outgoing, this is +1, okay, next 4 is outgoing, this is +1, remaining not coincidence, so it is zeros. Okay, for cth node what are incident? So 6 to 5, okay, 2 5 6, 2 5 6, 2 is incoming, okay, this is -1, okay, 5 outgoing, this is +1, okay, from this node 5 is outgoing, 2 is incoming, and 6 also incoming, this is -1, okay, this is -1, remaining you can consider these are the zeros. Okay, next one is dth node. Dth node means, so here 3 4 5, okay, so dth node, which are coincidence? 3 4 5, okay, 3 4 5, so 3 is incoming, 3 is incoming, okay, -1, 4 also incoming, -1, okay, 5 also incoming, -1, remaining not coincidence, that's why we are taking as the zeros. Okay, it means this is the incident matrix. Okay, okay, so this is the complete incident matrix. Why we are calling complete incident matrix means, so if you consider means some of the column, in that column if you add all elements, definitely you will get the zeros. Okay, +1 -1 0, okay, here also it is 0, +1 -1, this is +1 -1, all are zeros, all columns if you add elements, so definitely you will get these zeros. This will call the complete incident matrix. Okay, suppose one of the column, one of the row, any row if you eliminate, suppose I am eliminating the dth row, suppose if I am eliminating dth row, only the matrix is this one, A B C, this one, so this we will call the reduced incident matrix. Okay, this we will call the reduced incident matrix. Okay, suppose any one of the row if you ignore, we will call the reduced incident matrix. See here, so same previously what I have done, same thing you can see here, this is A, not AA, this is A, okay, so A is incident matrix here. Okay, next one is basic cut set incident matrix. Basic cut set incident matrix. So this theory already I have given. This is the definition. A fundamental cut set is a cut set which contains one and only one tree branch. The remaining elements of the cut set are links only. Okay, this matrix gives the incident of the elements to basic cut sets. The number of rows in the matrix are equal to number of branches. Okay, the number of columns are equal to the number of basic cut sets. Okay, it means the basic cut set is a cut set. In this cut set only one tree branch, remaining all branches are links. Okay, that will call the basic cut set. The basic cut set incident matrix, how you will get means, the rows is number of branches, okay, the columns is number of cut sets, okay, number of basic cut sets, okay, not a number of cut sets, number of basic cut sets. So here means Bij is the element of the cut set incident matrix. So how you will find out these elements means, so when you will get the +1 if element I is incident to jth basic cut set and is having the same direction as that of the direction of cut set. Okay, suppose the direction of element, okay, any element, any branch means it is same as the cut set direction, so we will call the +1. If it is opposite to the cut set direction, we will call the -1. Suppose it is not coincident with that cut set means that is called 0. Okay, now you see one example, then you will understand. Okay, see, this is the graph, this is the electrical circuit. Okay, means this is the electrical circuit. This electrical circuit we are converting as the graph. So this is the graph. Suppose if you, already I told, means suppose if you convert if you convert this electrical circuit as the graph, so what you will get? Already I told, suppose the voltage source, this is plus minus, the voltage source you have to represent with the short circuit. Similarly, all the elements you have to represent the short circuit. Say this is the node 1, okay, say this is the node 2, say this is the node 3, okay, this is the node 4, this is the node 5. Okay, so 1 to 2 there is a voltage source, you have to make short circuit. Similarly 1 to 3 is resistance, it is also short circuit. Okay, 1 to 3 it is 1 to 3 to 4 it is also short circuit. Okay, 3 to 4 it is also short circuit. 4 to 1 here is inductance. Okay, already I told, so any element is there, just represent with short circuit or just like a short path. Okay, any voltage source is there means represent with short circuit, any current source is there means represent with open circuit. Okay, here there is no current source, that's why I am representing, this is the graph. This is the graph for this circuit. Okay, so this is the normal graph. If oriented graph means you can represent with any directions. Okay, you give a directions. Okay, this is the oriented graph. So that graph directly I am taking as the cut sets. Okay, so just form as the means it should not form the closed path. So it just like these branches, these are the links. Okay, now we have a means cut set already told. Okay, cut set means just cutting, means you have to separate, means by cutting a graph you should get the two parts. Okay, so basic cut set means when you are cutting, by that case only one tree branch is there, remaining branches are, so links we will call the basic cut sets. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, these are the links. So suppose you are cutting here, suppose if you are cutting here, only one tree branch, remaining is links, so this is the basic cut set. This is also basic cut set because only one branch. This is also only one tree branch, remaining is links. Here also only one branch, remaining is links. Only one tree branch is 6, in this case only 5, in this case 8, in this case 7. Okay, when you are cutting here, so only one tree branch is there, remaining are links. Suppose when you are separating this, means this one and this one, so only one tree branch is there. Okay, these will call the basic cut sets. Say A, B, C, D are the basic cut sets. Okay, so suppose you are cutting here, suppose you are cutting here, then these all are the tree branches, but for basic cut set only one tree branch should be there, the remaining is link should be there. Okay, it means 4 basic cuts we have, A, B, C, A, B, C, D. Okay, for A what are the branches are related? Okay, the cut set direction how you will take it means the direction as here the cut set, this is the cut set, right? Okay, this is one cut set, this is one cut set, this is one cut set, but how you will take it, this cut set direction means it is same as the tree branch. Tree branch direction is like this, so it means the cut set direction also like this. Okay, the set direction also like this. So here the tree branch direction is like this, it means the cut set direction is like this. It means it is same direction as the tree branch direction. Okay, here also tree branch direction is like this. Okay, understand? So the cut set direction how you will take it means it is same as the tree branch direction. Okay, here the tree branch direction like this, here the tree branch direction is like this. Okay, this is the cut set direction. Okay, now if you see, suppose what are the branches coincide? 1, 5, 4. 1, 5, 4 branches are coincide. Suppose you want to find out the cut set incident matrix. Okay, suppose you want to find out the cut set incident matrix, say this is B matrix. Okay, so what are the number of, already I told, in cut set incident matrix the number of rows it is equals to number of branches. So how many branches are there? 8 branches are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 branches are there. Okay, how many number of cut sets are there? How many number of basic cut sets are there means A basic cut set A, B, C, D. Okay, basic cut set, not a cut set. Basic cut set means it should have a only one tree branch, remaining branches should be links. Okay, so now tell me, for this basic cut set, okay, what are the branches are correlated? So for this basic cut set A, what are the branches correlated means 1 5 4, 1 5 4. Okay, one is, it is same direction as the, means what is the cut set A direction? This is the direction, already I told, it is same as the tree branch direction. Okay, now tell me, what is for branch 1, what are the branches are correlated? 1 5 4, it means 1 4 5, the remaining branches is zeros. Okay, the remaining branches is zeros. Okay, 1, it is same as the cut set direction, this is the cut set direction, right? Branch direction also like this, it is there, so it means this is the plus 1. Okay, suppose fourth one, the cut set direction is like this, but that branch direction like this, see here. Okay, so it means this is the opposite to the cut set direction, this is minus 1. Okay, okay, for fifth one it is same as the cut set direction, this is plus 1. Okay, now see the B cut set. Okay, now see the B cut set. Okay, cut set B, this is the cut set B. Okay, basic cut set B. Okay, now what is the direction? It is same as the tree branch direction, tree branch direction is like this. Okay, that's why cut set direction also like this. Okay, now tell me, what are the branches associated with this? 1 2 6, 1 to 6 branches is coincidence with this cut set. What about remaining branches? Remaining branches is zeros. Okay, 1 2 6, 1 to 6, the remaining branches is 0. One to 6. Okay, 1 is, it is same as the cut set direction, this is the cut set direction, this is also cut set direction, it means this is the plus 1. Okay, 6 also, this is the plus 1, because same as the cut set direction. Next, this one, cut set direction is like this, but branch direction is like this. See here, this is the direction. Okay, this darkness. Okay, so this is the direction. Okay, it means it is opposite, it means minus 1. Like that you have to find out. For Cth cut set also you can check it. Okay, similarly for Dth cut set also you have to check it. Okay, see here the basic cuts is, for this given graph the basic cuts is 4. Okay, for basic cut set A is 1 5 4, 1 5 4. Okay, for Bth cut set 1 6 2, for Cth cut set 2 7 3. Okay, next for Dth cut set 4 8 3, 4 3 8 4. Okay, 4 8 3 3 8 4, any sequence you can take it, but these branches should be there. Okay, next, just now I explained. Here you don't explain the 5 6 7, just A B C D, mention A B C D. Okay, A B C D. Okay, so here just now previously I have explained, right? For basic cut set A, so associated 1 4 5, 1 is same as the direction of cut set direction, and 5 also same as the cut set direction, but 4 it is the opposite direction. The remaining you have considered is zeros. Okay, similarly for Bth cut set also, just now we have checked the 1 to 6 it is correlated, the remaining is, it is not coincidence. Okay, that's why we have considered the zeros. Okay, these are the zeros. Okay, 1 is same as the cut set B direction, but 2 branch. Okay, this is the branches, these are the branches, these are the branches. How many branches are there? 8 branches. These are the basic cut sets, these are the basic cut set. Okay, basic cut sets. Okay, so which are coincidence? Just it will be plus 1 or maybe minus 1. Which is not coincident, those you have to make it as the zeros. Okay, so in the Seeth cut set, if you see previous one, so 2 3 2 3 7, those are the coincident. 2 and 7 both are this both it is same as the cut set direction, but 3 branches it is the opposite to the cut set direction. Okay, similarly for dth one also, if it is not coincident, make it 0. If it is coincidence, make it maybe +1 or -1. That is based on the direction of cut set direction and branch direction. Okay, it is branch direction, it is same as the cut set direction. You will get the +1s. If it is not, so you will get the -1. Okay, this is related to basic cut set incident matrix. Okay, next one is basic tie set incident matrix. Okay, a basic tie set uh, a basic tie set or a fundamental tie set is a tie set having one and only one link branch, the other element being three branches. A reference direction for each closed path is taken as that of orientation of the associated link branch. Okay, previously the cut set direction we have taken as the same as the tree branch direction, but in this case the same means closed path direction, it will take it as the link direction, same as the link direction. Okay, so here means the basic tie set basic tie set incident matrix, it is equals to, means the matrix it will be just like a rows is number of branches. Okay, the columns is number of basic tie set branches. Okay, same as previous one. Okay, CIG means element of the tie set matrix, tie set incident matrix. It may be +1 or -1. It may be 0. Okay, if it is not coincidence, you will make it as a 0. If it is coincidence, it may be +1 or -1. Okay, +1 it is same as the direction of the tie set direction. Then you will branch direction, it is same as the tie set direction. Then you will make it a +1. If it is branch direction is opposite to the tie set basic tie set direction, then you will get the negative. Okay, then you will get the -1. Suppose see this example, previous example only. Okay, already I told this electrical circuit you represent as a graph. Okay, take it as the tie set graph. Okay, means this is the tie set graph. Okay, these are the links. Okay, it should not form the closed path, right? So now how many tie sets are there? Basic tie sets are there. Okay, basic tie sets means only one link should be there. Okay, other branches should be tree branches. It should form the closed path. Suppose here if you see how many closed paths are there, this is the one closed path, this is one closed path, this is one closed path, this is one closed path. Oh, here this is also one closed path. Okay, see here, this is one closed path, this is one closed path, this is one closed path, this is one. Okay, maybe you can also take it, this is also closed path, right? But in this closed path, okay, so how many branches are tree branches? How many branches are link branches? Here one branch link, this is another branch link. Okay, these branches are tree branches. Okay, here these branches are link branches. But the basic tie set matrix, only one link branch should be there, the remaining should be tree branches. Okay, it is not a basic tie set branch. Okay, basic tie set. Okay, so similarly this is also not a basic tie set. Okay, because two links are there in this loop. Okay, so it means in a loop only one link should be there. It means this is the one basic tie set, this is another basic tie set, this one is another basic tie set. Four basic tie sets are there. Okay, okay, say this is the loop 1, basic tie set 1, this is the tie set 2, basic tie set 2, this is the basic tie set 3, this is the basic tie set 4. Okay, 4 basic tie sets are there. Okay, how many branches are there? 8 branches are there. It means 8 branches. Okay, 8 branches, so 4 tie sets. Okay, 8 by 4 incident matrix, tie set incident matrix you will get. Okay, so here this is the tie sets. Okay, this is the tie set. For tie set means tie set 1 or link 1. Okay, so in this one, what are the branches? 1 5 6, 1 5 6 are there. In this one, 2 2 7 6, 2 7 6. Okay, next in this one, 3 7 8, 3 7 8 or 3 8 7. Okay, 4 8 5, 4 8 5, 4 5 8. Okay, these are the related to this branch. Means for this tie set 1, the related branches are 1 5 6. For tie set 2, okay, this is the 2 7 6 are the related branches. Okay, for tie set 3, this one is the tie set. Okay, it is not a link you can call. This is also called tie set, basic tie set, basic tie set. Okay, so the basic tie set engineering matrix, you can see here, already told, this is the branches, this is the branches, these are the branches, 8 branches, these are the basic tie sets, basic tie sets, basic tie sets. Okay, so just now if you see, so for tie set 1, for tie set 1, for tie set 1, what are the branches correlated? 1 5 6. So for tie set 1, 1 5 6, 1 5 6. Okay, so it means for tie set 1, 1 5 6, this is the 1 5 6. The remaining is, these are the zeros. Okay, the remaining, these are the zeros. Okay, so if you see, it means how the direction of the tie set you will take, basic tie set you will take, it means it is same as the link direction. It means the link direction is for 1. What is the link direction? For link 1, this is the link 1 direction, right? So it means the tie set direction is like this. For this, the link direction is like this. It means the tie set direction is like this. Okay, for this, the link direction is like this, means the tie set direction is like this. Okay, similarly for last one, that link direction is like this. It means the tie set direction also like this. It means if you see here, so the tie set direction, the tie set matrix, you will get like, number of branches is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 branches. Okay, how many number of tie sets? 1 2 3 4, 4 tie sets are there. Okay, now for tie set 1, what are the branches are associated? 1 6 5. Okay, the remaining is zeros, 1 6 5. It means the remainings are, okay, 1 5 6, the remainings are zeros. Okay, it means for 1, it is same as the tie set direction. This is the tie set direction. It is same as the tie set direction. It means plus 1. Okay, suppose for 6, for branch 6, it is opposite, means branch direction is like this, but tie set direction is like this, opposite to this. It means this is minus 1. What about 5th branch? The branch 5th direction is like this. Tie set direction also same as the branch direction. That's why it is represented as plus 1. Okay. Similarly for tie set 2. Okay. Tie set 2. It means loop 2, link 2. Okay. It is same as the direction to the link. Okay. The link direction is like this. The tie set direction is like this. What are the associated? 2, 6, 7 branches are associated. Remainings are 0. 2, 6, 7. Okay. It means the remainings are 0. 2, 6, 7. Okay, 2 it is same as the tie set direction, it is plus 1. Okay, and 7 branch direction is like this, but tie set direction is like this. It means opposite. Okay, it is minus 1. Next 6 it is, means this is the tie set direction, branch direction also same as the tie set direction, so you will get the plus 1. Like this you have to find out the for 3 and 4 also. Okay, for tie set 3, okay, and for tie set 4 also. If you see here, finally you will get the matrix is like this. Just now I told, right? So this is here the tie set 1, branches are associated 1, 5, 6. Okay, remaining branches are zeros. Okay, so here that means branch 1 and 5 direction is same as the tie set. That's why we are representing plus 1, means otherwise it is representing minus 1. Okay, for tie set 2, branch 1, 6, 7 are associated, remaining are all are zeros. Okay, it means when the means tie set direction it is same as the branch direction, take it as a plus 1, otherwise take it minus 1. Okay, for tie set 3, so branch 3, 6, branch 3, 7, 8 are associated, the remainings are zeros. Okay, similarly last one, the branches are associated with 4, 5, 8, the remainings are zeros. The remaining are zeros. Okay, suppose the branch direction it is same as the tie set direction, means so you will you represent plus 1. Okay, otherwise minus 1. If it is not associated with the branch, this means any branch it is not associated with the tie set, means make it as a 0. Okay, okay, just remember this. Means cut set direction it is take as a tree direction, same as the tree direction. Okay, tie set direction it is same as the link direction. Okay, okay, these are the questions. Okay, define cut set and tie set. These are very important. What is cut set, what is tie set? Okay, determine basic cut set incident matrix for any given graph. Okay, means find like this, how we find out for this graph. Okay, for you can find out for any electrical circuits. If orientation directions is given, okay, then directly you can follow. If it is not given, you can take it any direction. Okay, just go through, means suppose if direction is not given, suppose one circuit is there, like this circuit is there, but in this direction is not given. Okay, you can take the directions, and for this just find out the incident matrix, maybe cut set matrix, maybe cut set incident matrix, maybe tie set incident matrix, maybe incident matrix. Okay, thank you.